In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your ZVE10 as a webcam. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The ZVE10 is a great alternative to most conventional webcams because it offers great quality on any video and any live streaming that you can do. So using it is extremely simple. The feature is built into the camera and it is convenient to set it up. So first, you are going to need a standard USB Type-C cable to connect the ZVE10 to your computer. So all that you have to do is first, enable USB streaming on the ZVE10 settings. So power on your ZVE10, go into the menu by pressing the menu button, and when you go over to this tab that I'm showing you on screen, you will be able to find USB connection settings. If you don't see it there, or if you notice that it is on a different menu, you might want to check the manual for your camera beforehand. Now, once you go into USB connection settings, you will be able to enable the USB streaming option. Doing this will make it so the camera will be detected as a standard webcam when you connect it to your PC or any other device. So just make sure that USB streaming is toggled on, and now go ahead and connect the camera. To do this, connect the ZVE10 to your computer using the USB cable that I mentioned. The computer should automatically recognize the ZVE10 as a webcam, and you can just try going ahead and opening up any video software such as Zoom, Google Meet, OBS, and you should be able to find it under the available cameras. If you don't see it there right away, you might have to download additional drivers, but for the most part, it is going to be immediately ready to use as soon as you connect it using the cable that I mentioned. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your ZVE10 as a webcam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.